Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Kitchen Service is a business where we make cakes, meat pies, ring donuts, samosas, spring rolls and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices. We also make jollof rice and fried rice for all events and occasions. Contact us with the information provided on the screen. In today's video, we'll be making egg sauce with plain rice. Our ingredients for today's recipe include 10 large fresh tomatoes, 1.5 large red onions, 1 tablespoon each of curry powder, nutmeg and salt, 2 cups of vegetable oil, 3 tablespoons of powdered pepper, 4 eggs, and 3 cups of rice. Let's begin. Pour your tomatoes into a bowl and add some water to it. After adding the water, wash the tomatoes and then cut it into halves. Now slice the tomatoes into thin stripes. This is how it should look like. After cutting it, set it aside. In a saucepan, pour about 1.5 cup of water and then add in 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, then 1.5 tablespoons of salt. Now add in the rice and stir it together. Then cover it up and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. As the rice cooks, stir it gradually to prevent it from getting burnt. When the rice is halfway done, stir it together and cover it and let it cook for 5 minutes. Our rice is ready. Let's proceed to the making of the stew. In another saucepan, pour 2 cups of oil. Then chop some red onions into it and allow it to fry for about 3 minutes. Now add in the powdered pepper and some water. Stir it together and let it boil for about 5 minutes. After that, pour in the chopped tomatoes and stir it together. Cover it up and let it boil for about 10 minutes. And some leftover catfish. Now break the catfish into smaller pieces and add it to the stew. Stir it together and let it simmer for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add 4 eggs into a bowl and ensure that there are no shells in it. Then go ahead and add it to the stew. Let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add in the curry powder, nutmeg and salt. Stir everything together and let it cook for about 3 minutes. Peel, wash and cut 1 large red onion and add it to the stew. Stir the onions and the stew together and let it cook for 2 minutes. Our stew is ready. Let's plate our dish. Scoop some of the rice onto a plate and then spread some of the stew on top of it. This is where today's video ends. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this every Thursday and Sunday. And kindly turn on your post notification icon